Now for the last bit, we thought we'd show you 4 cool ways of folding the napkin. Napkin is like the cherry on top. It adds all the beauty, and a cool fold like this can bag you brownie points when your guests arrive. This is called the crown fold. The second and my most favorite fold is the rose fold. It's so simple, but mind you, please take a napkin cloth that is easier to fold or thinner so that you don't struggle like me to tuck it in at the very end. The third is a seasonal favorite, the Christmas tree fold. This could be something you could even make your kids do as an art project, a few simple folds, and voila, we have a pretty looking napkin tree. The last one is what we've used for this table setup, the Fanfold. This is something we do with paper as kids. I'm sure you've all tried it, but did you think it can look this pretty just with a bow on it? With this top-class yet easy guide for a dining buffet table setup, you're sure to impress all your guests. Do this and try it for your next party or get-together and send us pictures on Instagram. We'd love to repost the best ones. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss out on any of our updates. Until next time, take care. See you all.